All right, so we are live. I'm really excited to have you with me live at this specific moment because today we're going to discuss a very common question I've been asked from almost everybody. How can I prepare the best about the next bull market? How I can make the most out of the next bull market? There is always this question, what I can do now in order to make the most when the bull market comes. So this is the topic for today. Before we get started though, type me 444 in the chat if you're watching this live, or 555 if you're watching the replay. So type me 444 if you're live, or 555 if you're the replay. Hello, Lefteri. Hello, Nipai. Today, we're going to discuss the 3 steps on how to capitalize the most out of the next bull market. Now, this is something that most people will do wrong. Now, don't confuse the words I'm saying. The reason that most people will do this wrong is because it's not easy. Okay, because it takes patience. So I want you to grab a pen and a paper and take notes for the next 5 minutes, because I'm going to share you how to profit in the next bull market. Number 1, the next bull market will not come for the next minimum 6 months. So even a year. So alongside those 6 to 12 months, you have to daily educate yourself. Daily be around people that have experienced bull markets in the past and have profit from it. Not people who say, oh, I remember when Bitcoin was at $300. Yeah, you remember it. What did you do with this? Nothing, most of the people. So find people that they've experienced bull markets in the past, they've made mistakes, they made profits, so they can teach you what they learned in the last bull market, in the last 2 bull markets, 3 bull markets, so you can duplicate that on this bull market and have daily sessions with them if they provide it. Now, if you're watching this and you're a student of our academy, you have to daily watch minimum 1 lecture. Minimum. This is the minimum you have to do. If you want to capitalize the next bull market, you have to daily watch 1 lecture. Step number 2, commit for the next 4 years. Let me repeat that. Commit for the next 4 years. Most people, they cannot commit for 4 days, 4 weeks, 4 months. That's why they will never make money in the long term. I know people, they make money by accident and they lost it. But if you commit the next 4 years with this specific bull market, it's going to be game over for you. You will set your family for a life. Now, what do I mean by committing? Most people have already quitted about Bitcoin, about crypto. They will get on Bitcoin and crypto in general when Bitcoin is at $30,000 to $40,000. Mark my words, most people that quitted on crypto right now, when Bitcoin surpassed $32,000, they will get back to it. That's why they never make money. If you're watching this, it means that you are the person that wants to capitalize like the banks, like the financial institutions. A financial institution doesn't say, oh, if I don't make money in the next 4 days, 4 months, I'm quitting. They make billions. They don't make billions in a couple of weeks or months. They commit themselves. And in the end of the day, if you think about this, you've done it in the past. It's not that it's the first time you're going to commit to something for 4 years. Have you done high school? You committed for minimum 12 years. You didn't stop from high school. Have you done a bachelor degree in university? You committed yourself for minimum 4 years. Have you done a master's degree, a PhD, another 4 or 5 years? Now, here is my question to you. And this is an amazing question. All right, so my live is cut off. So here is my question to you. Have you made your money back? Have you made your money back from high school? And you may be like, oh, Kiriako, I didn't pay for the high school. You didn't? Didn't you pay for the books? Didn't you pay for the personal classes that you needed in order to be able to pass the class? At least that's how it's in my country. Oh, Kiriako, I didn't pay for the university. Didn't you? Didn't you pay for the apartment you were staying for the university? Didn't you pay for the foods you were eating at the university? If you studied abroad, didn't you pay for the flights to go to the country that your university were? Didn't you pay for the tuition fees, for the books, for everything? For your bachelor degree, for your master's degree, for your PhD? What's my point? Most people will never make their money back from what they've studied. I'm not saying you should. My point here is you committed to it without still not make profit, be break even. So why not commit for 4 years to something that can change your life literally? How do you commit? Number one, as we said, for the next 4 years, study minimum 1 lecture a day. If you're in our academy, minimum 1 lecture, 1 go live a day. Number two, identify 5 projects that you trust, understand, and believe for the next bull market. Now, when I'm saying projects, I'm not talking about NFTs. I'm not talking about meme coins. I'm not talking about ICOs or projects that they just started. Like solid projects that they've done it before, projects that they contribute, projects that they actually did and are doing what they say they will do. What I call them is mid-cap, main cap projects, like the Solanas, like the Dots, like the Polkadots, like the Chainlinks, like the Ethereums. Those are the projects that they've done what they said they will do. Does that make sense? And number three, because the next bull market will not come soon, you have to identify the difference between trading and investing and figure out how you can capitalize from the trading side. Because investing is a way to multiply your cash flow. But if you don't have a cash flow that covers your monthly expenses and allows you to have a specific amount of money to invest, what are you going to invest? Are you going to invest the money for your rent? No. Are you going to invest the money for your kids? No. Are you going to invest the money for you to eat, to drink, to pay your debt? No. You invest what you're willing to lose. But if you don't have money that you're willing to lose, then you need to build your cash flow. And how you do that is with trading. And trading in bear market is amazing. There are so many opportunities there to capitalize, but you have to get educated on. So here are the 3 steps on how you can make the most out of the next bull market, how to capitalize on the next bull market. Let's sum it up and close this call. Number 1, study 1 lecture a day from your mentor. If you're in our academy, 1 go live a day. Number 2, commit to be here for the next 4 years. You did it in the past. You committed in the past to things that didn't really help you. So why not do it again? And number 3, learn the difference between trading and investing, and not just the theory, but also learn how to trade and how to invest properly so you can capitalize now and build a cash flow in the bear market with trading, so then you can multiply it in the bull market. So this is it for me. Type me 333 in the chat if it makes sense, if you're gonna commit, if you're gonna make this happen. Thank you so much that you were on this live today. God bless you and see you tomorrow.